This one is one with conditioning and fortitude.
Michael, don't forget the best part. We've got divas.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other.
Oh, she does it again.
Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Jeez. No, not again. Brittany with a hard shot. There's going to be a lot of offense in this match. And did you hear the impact on that kick?
A stiff shot with the elbow. And there's the face buster.
What an amazing kick. Oh, a reversal. Oh.
What can we expect from Layla now, King? God, after shots like that to the head, Layla must be hurt.
Every time she has to get back to her feet, it takes more and more effort.
Say what you will about Layla, but she's quick-witted and definitely well-gifted in the realm of mind games. There's the submission. She might have no choice but to tap. And she slaps on the submission. Will this be it?
There's no escaping this.
There's the Bulldog. Submission locked in tight. This could do it. And there's the decision.
Oh, out of nowhere.
Nice counter. She's incredibly fast, is Layla. Brittany may be having fun. And this is going to return to the ring. God, after shots like that to the head, Layla must be hurt.
Boy, you have to be in the absolute best condition of your life to compete in one of these grueling Iron Man matches. Layla's getting manhandled.
There's another great kick.
Oh, what a painful kick.
Brittany just gets leveled. The damage has definitely been done. Now it may just be a matter of time.
Oh, blocked. Oh, a serious knockout blow.
What a kick that was. Big kick echoing around the arena.
Impressive suplex.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Now back to the ring.
And Brittany eats a big fist.
And that drop kick connects with the leg.
DDT.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. Face first. That's just nasty. She misses with a wild strike.
Brittany's going way. Whoa!
And there are those educated feet. Oh, that knee landed perfectly. And there's some more emotion on display. Brittany. Just a fantastic suplex. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big.
How long can they keep this up? How long can they...
Wow! Stealing your opponent's finishing move, definitely.
And will this be it?
Each of these competitors is
hooking the leg. Two.
Oh, a huge power bomb right on the kidney area. We got to cover.
Two. And there's the decision. There's the submission. She might have no choice but to tap.
This is not the position you want to be in.
A critical point.
Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching.
Brittany looking to take...
Oh, no!
Going top rope once.
Whoa, whoa!
Well, she's known as a hot... No! Watch out.
An impressive combination of kicks. No, not again.
Brittany.
Oh, man, you take a shot like that, and you feel it for weeks. Look at this.
And she slaps on the submission. Will this be it?
This is such a painful hold.
Another decision.
There's a drop kick. Where does she get it from? How is she still going? Oh, what a smack.
Oh, man. Did you hear that? That's definitely going to the kick.
There's a cover.
Two.
Good night. Great athleticism.
A sharp kick. Triangle submission. The triangle hold is locked in. How long can they keep this up? How long can they keep up this pace in an Iron Man match? Hooks the leg. Two. Oh, another boot to the midsection. Brittany lets loose a huge shot.
See that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted. Cheek.
Shoulders down. Two. There's another decision. Brittany.
Did you see that, Cole? Talk about getting your spine adjusted.
Into the cover, hooks the leg. And there's the decision. Brittany.
What an incredible power bomb. Oh, gosh. Hey, we got to cover.
Two.
Michael, I love diva matches. You know, I hope heaven is kind of like this.
She tosses her opponent over the top rope.
Oh, gosh, there's no telling how much damage that did.
And this is going to return to the ring.
Well, cancel my dinner plans, Michael. I have a feeling that Layla might need some consoling after this match.
Brittany looking at...
Whoa!
How long could... Hooking the leg. Two. There's another decision. The big boot. What a sickening impact.
And did you hear the impact on that kick?
Another shot with the boot.
Watch it.
She's looking for it again. Did you hear that? What impact? Into the cover, hooks the leg. Two. And there's the decision.
Watch it.
She's looking for it again.
Good gosh, what a sick dud. This is an...
And will this be it? Two.
submission hold locked in. We may see a tap out right here.
Oh, man, does that...
There's another decision. Submission locked in tight. This could do it.
I couldn't stand being in a hold like this, unless she's the one applying it.
Another decision. Oh, man. Did you hear that? There's the submission. She might have no choice but to tap. There's a point. After shots like that to the head, Layla must be hurt.
Oh, submission! The hold's locked in. Can she do it? Can she work her way out of this hold? And she's toast. Here's a cover.
Another decision.
What a boot! I can't look, Michael. Tell me that Layla did.
And she makes it to the ropes. And she kicks out.
There's going to be a lot of offense in this match.
Brittany going for the cover. Planting that head again.
Layla got out of harm's way there.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
And there's the lasso from El Paso. Oh, man. Did you hear that?
Oh, did she take a shot there?
It hooking the leg.
Some serious skills on display by Layla. Man, this has been a great matchup.
Submission hold locked in. We may see a tap out right here.
Oh, you're not going to last long here.
No, it's time to fight out or tap out, King. There's a point.
Hey, Michael, does that remind you of your last date?
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
This could be it. Cover. She may be easy on the eyes, but when she gets a hold of you, she's as deadly as... Oh, look at the strength. These divas are not...
And here's a cover. Two. A big point there. And there's the submission. This might be it.
I couldn't stand being in a hold like this, unless she's the one applying it.
Fatigue starting to wear on these competitors in this Iron Man match.
Reversal. 2 minutes left. The shoulders are down. Whew. I thought Layla was going to get it there.
Once again, oh, what a counter. And she slaps on the submission. Will this be it?
Oh, man, does that look painful?
This is serious gut check time. There's the submission. She might have no choice but to tap.
Can she do it? Can she work her way out of this hold?
There's another decision.
Oh, I could sit here all night and watch Layla read the phone book. Oh, how do you do that? What an impact from that kick.
Oh, she does it again. And a counter by Brittany.
Nowhere to go. Oh, you're not going to last long here.
No, it's time to fight out or tap out, King. And there's the decision. And Layla too fast for that incoming attack. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. Brittany going for the cover. A big point there.
And another DDT. Uh-oh, big move coming.
Brittany may be having fun.
The match is over. That's all she wrote.